people's mandate that every time people choose a particular candidate for a particular reason, that they believe that this is a candidate that there is an option for them, and then defection means that they are actually kind of ditching their electorate. They do not take them into confidence, and the only tagline is that we are doing this for development, but we haven't seen development of any constituency the way it should have been, even after defections, and the only development has been of the politician. So it is a personal selfish motive which happens when it comes to defections, and all over India, throughout India, politicians should come forward to make the anti-defection laws so strong that defection would mean that you will have to face the mandate of the people again, and defection would mean disqualification. The only option that should be left to every politician is to resign and face the electorate again, because it is for the electorate to decide whether they want the kind of progress that they are assuring because of defection. So I don't think our party in any way is for defections or for anyone to defect and join Aam Aadmi Party in future or present also. See, as I said, alternative which is coming out as one of the biggest alternative to BJP is Aam Aadmi Party today, and I don't think we should think about all that right now. We will see how things progress as the election, as the way things are progressing. I mean, in the next 30 days we'll see a lot of changes in Goan politics. The jumping around would be stopped once the candidates are announced. Various parties are announcing in the next few days all the candidates, and a lot of aspirants who have done frog jumping. You've seen some of them have jumped 4 or 5 times. One of the tall leaders of Goa, which people believe were one of the honest leaders, have jumped parties in less than 1 week or 2 weeks time. And I think it's a very bad signal, and I think it's a good signal for Goans that they are getting it before elections or before voting, that they cannot believe these politicians anymore. So you will see a lot of changes, a lot of new faces, and those faces will be honest faces, because I think Goans are fed up where the defections are, where corruption has progressed in Goa. We have seen that grow by meets and bounds in the last 1 year. And I think it's very bad for Goa, Goans and Goa's progress and Goa's vision. And I think that's one thing that Aam Aadmi Party is promising, is that you want a corruption-free government, you want a visionary Goa, you want a Goa for Goans, you want a Goa which will stand by Goans. Then you have to look at Aam Aadmi Party as the only option. And I think that's the only options that Goa has. And that's what Aam Aadmi Party is offering to Goans. Pardon, sorry. Without corruption. I think that's what is taking Goa backward. The root cause of all evil in Goa is corruption. And I believe it strongly that once you weed out corruption, a lot of things will improve. A layman who cannot afford to go to government offices and get his work done without paying a penny, I think that will change Goa. No, it won't take a long time. It will take a day. It will take 24 hours to change it. Just put discipline. Just put it in the mind of the government servant that it will not be tolerated. It will be done in 24 hours. Why should it take 6 months or 1 year? Corruption is not today's. Corruption is rampant in Goa. But I'm assuring you, 24 hours is what it will take to put things in order. You don't need much time to it. You just need conviction. You want that you are able to do it, and we will achieve it. Every honest politician, every clean politician, every educated politician is welcome in the party. If it comes to Utpal, yes, he is welcome in the party. And our party has said that, our leaders have said that, our candidate in Panjim has said that, and I believe, I think it's time that Goa chooses clean politicians, Goa chooses corruption-free governance, Goa chooses people or discards people who are criminally tainted. I think an electorate of Panjim, I'm surprised how they are swinging towards winnability as the only criteria. I don't think winnability should be the only criteria when it comes to choosing a leader or choosing your representative. And I think educated people, educated masses across Goa, and most of Goa is educated, and it is very disheartening for me as a Goan to feel that you stand by a politician who is corrupt, you know that they've grown by leaps and bounds in terms of corruption, and yet you stand by them. I think it's time Goa decides honestly, and honesty is the core for Goa to change. I have completed almost 80% of the constituency. It is not about compromising, it is about reaching Goa, taking Aam Aadmi Party's vision to Goa, and I think if I have to sacrifice, my people of Santa Cruz will understand. For the first time, Santa Cruz is talking about progress, Santa Cruz is talking about education, Santa Cruz is talking about change. So I don't think it's going to affect Santa Cruz constituency in any manner. I am going strong, I am growing strong in Santa Cruz, and people of Santa Cruz are putting their faith in me, and I'll be victorious from Santa Cruz, I'm sure about that. पळय दोन्ही पायण्याचेर आज सरकार फेल जाल्या, म्हादय आसूं आनी मायनींग आसूं. हांवें एज अ लॉयर हांवें एज अ फूल प्रोग्रेस दोन्ही लिटिगेशन्स हांवें पळयल्ली. सरकारान टायम वेस्ट केलो, सरकारान आपल्या जाय तशे तरेन मांडूंक ना, त्या खातीर एक गोश्टी घडल्यो. आज 5 वर्सां पयलीं म्हज्या कोतान मायनींग सुरू करूं येताली. आमी वेरियस जजमेंट पळयले, 3 जज बेंच जजमेंट आशिल्लो, 2 जज बेंच, कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ ओपिनियन्स आशिल्ली. अशा वेळार जर ही लिगल बॅटल सरकारानूच पयलीं 5-6 वर्सां पयलीं जर सारकी व्हेल्ली जाल्यार आज मायनींग सुरू आसपाची गोंयांत. पण आमच्या पार्टींतल्यान एक अश्योरन्स दिल्ले आसा की मायनींग कशाय पद्दतीन आसूं ती सुरू जातली, इलिगल पद्दतींनी, पण एक वेगळ्या तरेन. जर मायनींग आज पळय लोकांक आनी जे मायनींग डिपेंडंट आसा तांकां मायनींग कोण सुरू करता हाजे पडून गेल्लें ना. मायनींग सुरू जावप इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. आमी वेळग्या गेले, आमी वेगवेगळ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन भोंवले, जे मायनींग अफेक्टेड लोक आसा ते पळयत तर जाल्यार तुमी एक गोश्ट लक्षांत येता आनी एक गोश्ट दिसून येता की जो बहुजन समाजाचो मनीस आशिल्लो तो आज चेपला. ताजे कडेन आज परिस्थिती ना. प्रत्येक वेळार तांकां दिसता की आनी अश्योरन्स येता सरकारा कडल्यान की मायनींग सुरू जातली, ते बाबडे आपले ट्रक सारके करता, आपले व्हेकल सारके करता, आपल्या कामाक लागता, आनी अचानक 8 दिसांनी थोडे पयशे पदरचे घालून हे केल्या उपरांतूय मायनींग सुरू जाना. दीस इज बॅड फॉर गोवा, एंड आय थिंक दीस हॅज टू चेंज, एंड आम आदमी पार्टी इज ओनली ऑप्शन विच इज अश्योरिंग दीस वील चेंज. ना जाल्यार आज सरकार म्हणटा आज आमी सरकार परतो हाडात, आमी 5 म्हयन्यांनी सुरू करतले. 5 वर्सां तुमकां कोणीच आडावना हें सुरू करपाक. तेन्ना ही गोश्ट म्हाका दिसता फटींगपणाची बंद जावपाक जाय. मायनींग सुरू जातली आनी आमी तें करून दाखयतले. पळय आमी उडयो मारिल्ले लोक न्ही ते एज उमेदवार म्हणून आयल्या, पूण आज जे रिजायन जावन MLAs रिजायन जावन दुसऱ्या पार्टीन गेला, दॅट इज द ओनली सेल्फीश गोल. सी यू प्लीज अंडरस्टँड द डिफरन्स बिटवीन द टू. जे वेगळे आज ऑनेस्ट पॉलिटिशियन थंयच्यान आयला. तुम्ही जर अलिना बाय म्हणत आमचे, दिस इज वन ऑफ द ऑनेस्ट पॉलिटिशियन. शी वॉज बींग रिफ्यूज द टिकेट फॉर शुअर. आनी तेन्ना जी पार्टी ज्या आपल्या प्रामाणीक कार्यकर्त्याक, प्रामाणीक उमेदवाराक, प्रामाणीक आमदाराक जर तिकेट दिना आनी तांकां जर त्रास करता जाल्यार ते ऑप्शन चूज करता की वीच इज एन ऑप्शन वीच इज प्रामाणीक. आनी ते आम आदमी पार्टीच्या रुपान आज अल्टरनेटीव म्हणून गोंयांत आयला. सो आय डोंट थिंक देर इज एनीथींग टू वरी अबाउट दॅट. वी आर स्ट्रॉंगली अगेन्स्ट डिफेक्शन्स इन नॉट लेट दॅट हॅपन. तुमकां एक गजाल सांगता, जे वेगवेगळ्या तरेन BJPची उतरां तुमी आयकली, जी BJPन आज तरेन जे तुमी वेगवेगळ्या उमेदवारा बद्दल आनी जे इच्छूक उमेदवार आसा पळय, आज जर फडणवीस सारको मनीस जर म्हणटा की विनेबिलिटी इज द ओनली क्रायटेरिया, उत्पल पर्रीकर इज आय नो इज अ टॉल लिडर सन, आनी मागीर सारवासारव करता, हे सगळें पळयत जाल्यार तुमकां दिसून येता की वृत्ती जी आज आसा भाजपान जे आज वेगवेगळ्या पार्टींतले उमेदवार हाडले आपल्या खातीर, जे तांचे चोरले, विकत घेतले किंवा ज्या तरेन आपल्या भितर घेतले, ते पळयत जाल्यार तुमकां तांची वृत्ती दिसून येता. दिसना काय ना? हो प्रश्न तुवें तांकां करपाक जाय की तुमी कोणाक दिवपाचे आशिल्ले आनी कोणाक दिवपाचें नाशिल्लें म्हणून. ऑनेस्टी हॅज shown dustbin by Bharatiya Janata Party, and it has gone into dustbin, and their character has gone into dustbin, and people of Goa have realized it with the kind of politicians they are choosing. आज जे तुवें वेगवेगळे स्कॅम्स आसा पळय तांचेर आशिल्ले, तांकां टिकेटी मेळटल्यो, फाल्यां कळटलें तुका, सांज मेरेन कळटलें, मागीर उलोवया आमी ह्या गोश्टीचेर. आमचे तुमी उमेदवारांची यादी पळयात आनी मागीर वेबसायटीर वचून पळयात कोणाचेर कितें आसा तें, मागीर ह्या गोश्टीचेर उलया आमी. क्रिमिनल टॅग आशिल्लो आनी क्रिमिनल आशिल्लो मनीस आमच्या पार्टीन वेलकम ना आनी आसचोय ना आनी हाजे फुडें आसचो ना. हां बिलकुल बिलकुल. एकच तांचं घेतो, म्हाका तुमचं घेतो. बोला. हां बोला बोला. आम आदमी पार्टीने वेगवेगळ्या घोषणा केल्या आहेत. फ्री इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आहे, चांगले स्कूल्स आहेत. तुम्ही माझ्यासोबत या गोव्यात तुम्ही बघाल जी सरकारी शाळांची जी परिस्थिती झाली आहे ना, ती बघून तुम्हाला रडू येईल. छप्पर नाही, बेंचीस नाही, असं आहे. आता या वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी ज्या आम आदमी पार्टीने केल्या त्याच्यात एक मुख्य आणि प्रामुख्याची गोष्ट म्हणजे जी आहे ती म्हणजे की आम्ही जे राजकारण करणार ते चांगलं गोव्याच्या हितासाठी असेल, करप्शन फ्री असेल आणि ज्या वेगवेगळ्या गोष्टी आम्ही सांगितल्या, जी स्त्री सशक्तीकरण असेल, जे आज बेरोजगारी आहे गोव्यात, जी बेरोजगारीची ज्या तऱ्हेने फोफावली आहे गोव्यात, ते जर बघितलं तर तुम्हाला एक गोष्ट दिसून येईल की 10-20 वर्षात गोवा हा एकदम अधोगतीला आला आहे. तो गोवा परत वर काढायचा आहे आणि आम आदमी पार्टीची गॅरंटी तीच आहे की गोवा आम्ही आणि आमच्यातर्फे जो गोवा आम्ही निर्माण करणार तो गोवा गोवेकरांसाठी असेल, गोव्याच्या हितासाठी असेल, गोव्याच्या जे गोवा आपण जसं काळजातनं बोलतो ना तो गोवा असेल, प्रेमाचा गोवा असेल आणि त्याच्यासाठी कोणतीही कार्य करायची आम्ही सक्षम आहोत. आज तुम्ही म्हणजे जर पळत आज तुम्ही मला क्षमता आहे सर्व समाजांना बरोबर घेऊन जाण्याची. माझा पेशा वकिलीचा आहे, मी चूज करत नाही कोण माझा क्लायंट असतो तो. आणि माझ्यासमोर येणारे लोक, माझ्याबरोबर असणारे लोक, तुम्ही माझे कार्यकर्ते बघा, माझे लोक बघा, माझी टीम बघा. आम्ही जे कार्य करत आलो आहोत ते जातीवाद नाही त्याच्यात. माझ्याच क्षमता आहे की आपण जो बहुजन समाज आहे, जो आपला कॅथलिक आहे, जो मुस्लिम आहे, ते सगळे लोक माझ्याशी जुळत आहेत.